Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code. So guys, I'm going to discuss how to fix this error code in multiple ways, so just follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to Google and search for down detector, and then search for Rainbow Six Siege, and then from here guys, just tap on the first one over here, and from here guys you will see if the application have any problem on the Rainbow Six Siege, and you will see here if the application is under maintenance. So guys, if you experience no outage on your Rainbow Six Siege, the second option that you have is try reinstalling the app on your device. So first uninstall Rainbow Six Siege first, and then install it back again. And if that doesn't work, the third solution that you have is try logging out on your game and logging back in, and then from there you should be able to fix the issue. But lastly guys, if that doesn't work, all you need to do now, just try using VPN and change your server, and then from there guys you should be able to fix this issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.